eyes are like a jar of firefly summer air. I like to hold your hand while I see you smile. Lovely that I get to hold it for a while. Hey, what's going on, guys? This week I'm going to teach you guys how to play Lovely by Boywithuke. We're going to do this one a little bit differently than how we structure the other videos. This time we're going to go through the intro and verse parts, and then we're going to go over the chorus part because the chord patterns and everything are a little bit different, so I figured it'd be easier to do them in sections like that. So yeah, let's get to the intro of this. Okay, so the intro part is the part where he kind of sings soft, and it's just this plucking pattern. And it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it, but you kind of just need to remember the chord pattern and then the picking pattern alongside with it. So what we're going to do is go over the chords, and then we're going to go over the little picking pattern, and then hopefully we'll get the intro down so we can move on to the chorus. So the chords for this, I believe there's only 3 of them that he uses, but he kind of mixes them up weird. So I'm going to tell you guys them in order, so that way you can memorize the order, and then we'll go to the picking pattern afterwards. So it starts with an F chord, which all the chords will be right here, like they usually are. But if you don't want to look at that chart, or if you don't know how to read it, it is your pointer finger on the 3rd string 1st fret, and your middle finger on the top string 2nd fret. And it sounds like this. And that's an F. The next chord is an A minor, which you just take off your ring finger, or your pointer finger, and now it's just your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the top string. It sounds like this. And then the chord after that is a D minor, which is just like an F. You get your pointer finger on the 3rd string 1st fret, your middle finger on the top string 2nd fret, but then you put your ring finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret right under your middle finger, and it sounds like that. And then after that, we go to an A minor again, and then back to the D minor, and then A minor again. And then it takes you back to F to the beginning. So that is the chord order. F, A minor, D minor, A minor, A minor, F. F, A minor, D minor, A minor, D minor, A minor, F. I don't know if I said it right last time, but that's the order that is. F, A, D, A, D, A, F. Which it just ends without A, but you go back to F. So the plucking pattern, or picking pattern, is going to be just plucking this 3rd string and then the top string. But then eventually it's going to switch to the 2nd string and the top string. So I'll tell you when it happens. So we'll do F 4 times with the 3rd string and the top string, like this. Doing the 1st string and the 2nd string, that's going to count as 1, okay? So when you do the F, you do that 4 times. And then you go to A minor, and it's the 3rd string and the top one again, 4 times. And then once you get to D minor, that's when you switch to the 2nd string and the top string. But you only do it twice. Then you go to A minor with the 2nd string and the top string 2 times, and then back to D minor again for 2 times. And then A with the 3rd string and the top string. And then you'll start over and do F again. So hopefully this camera angle you guys can kind of look and see which string I'm actually plucking if you want to kind of like zoom in and slow it down and see which order to do that. But that's how you do the little intro part and the other verses for the picking pattern. So let's get to the chorus. Okay, so the chorus is only 4 chords, just like his other songs, and the chords are pretty easy. It's the same 3 from the beginning, but then he adds a B flat at the end. So it's F, A minor, D minor, and then B flat, which is right here. But if you want me to simplify it, bar the top, the first fret of all these strings, and then you put your middle finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret. And it sounds like this. You could play it by just pressing these 2 bottom strings and then those top ones, but that is kind of harder to play. Or you could even hold these 2 with these fingers and then use your ring and your pinky. As long as you get those 2 bottom ones and then these 2 pressed. And then that's the B flat. The strumming pattern is super simple. It's the down, down, up, down, up, just like all his other songs. So the way it goes is F, A minor, D minor, B flat, but that's one that he kind of like stops and then lets the beat kind of kick in. So it'll sound like this. Whoops. And you could even mute it if you don't want to hear the strings ring out. But let's go ahead and try to sing the song and see how easy it is to play. We kissed under the stars so far away. Could see Mars, I felt like maybe it was now I had a purpose. You held me close, said it was cold. I said I know, I told you I was nervous. And you will always be so fine and imperfect, but I can only see your eyes, lovely like a fire in the sky. I don't care, eyes are like a jar of firefly summer air. I like to hold your hand while I see you smile. Lovely that I get to hold it for a while. Lovely like a fire in the sky. I don't care, your eyes are like a jar of firefly summer air. I like to hold your hand while I see you smile. Lovely that I get to hold it for a while. Well, I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Lovely by Boywithuke. This one has been requested a lot and it's actually one of my favorites, so glad you guys wanted to do this one. And I think Wednesday's video I will announce who is going to win that little backpack size ukulele. I'm gonna have to get all the people that commented in that one video to get into a little random generator thingy and then see who it picks. So that'll be announced in Wednesday's video. So I'll see you guys later. A creature with 2